Hello, I'm Teresa Schneider, and I am reporting my observations for the week of January 28th to February 1st, 2013, at my house in North Pole, while comparing it to that of the National Weather Service reports at Fairbanks International Airport, PAFA. The times at which I observed ranged from 2 in the afternoon to 5 in the evening, Alaska Standard Time. At the beginning of the week, my recorded temperatures followed the same trend, but were warmer and then colder on the fourth day of the observation than the National Weather Service. On January 28th, the left and right sensors read negative 38 degrees Fahrenheit. The maximum temperature was negative 6.1 degrees Fahrenheit, and the minimum was either negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit or colder. The 29th showed signs of a warm air mass coming as the temperature jumped to negative 7.9 degrees Fahrenheit on the left sensor and negative 7.3 degrees Fahrenheit on the right sensor. The left sensor recorded the maximum temperature to be 6.5 degrees Fahrenheit and a minimum of 4.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The right sensor read 5.9 degrees Fahrenheit for max and 4.7 degrees Fahrenheit from the minimum. The third day of observations read 5.1 to 5.2 degrees Fahrenheit. The left sensor's max temperature was 15.1 and minimum temperature was 9.3. The right sensor read 15.2 for the maximum and 9.2 degrees Fahrenheit for the minimum. On the fourth day, January 31st, the temperature read 9.2 degrees Fahrenheit for both sensors. The maximum temperature grew to 30.8 degrees Fahrenheit on the left sensor and 31 degrees Fahrenheit on the right. The minimum temperature for the left sensor read negative 6.2 degrees Fahrenheit and the right read negative 6.5 degrees Fahrenheit. On February 1st, 2013, the temperature dropped to 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit on the left sensor and 1 degree Fahrenheit on the right sensor. The air pressure followed the same trend as the National Weather Service. The first day was at 1,030 millibars and dropping to 1,020 millibars on the second day, continuing to go down on the third day to 1,010 millibars. On January 31st, the air pressure increased to 1,011 millibars and continued to 1,015 millibars by the last day, February 1st, 2013. On Monday, January 28th, 2013, a high-pressure system was found in the interior with a 1,042 millibars and another high pressure found on the border of the Alaska's interior and Canada at 1,447 millibars. The cold front is coming from the northeast, accounting for the cold temperatures for the day. The warm front is moving north from the Gulf of Alaska, accounting for the warmer temperature for the rest of the week. On Tuesday, January 29th, 2013, the high-pressure system stayed in the interior at 1,033 millibars. A low-pressure system at 999 millibars is found in the Gulf of Alaska, moving north towards the interior with an occulted front. The unshaded part of the interior indicates clear, fair skies, which matched up with the warm temperatures as more radiation was able to come to the ground. Wednesday, January 30th, 2013, the high pressure continues to stay, but went down 3 millibars, indicating the 1,030 millibars. Cold front going southeast gives the interior a chance to receive snow, indicated by the blue shaded area. A warm front is headed north-northwest into the interior, as the map is showing no unshaded areas and indicates possible snowfall. It matches up with my observations of the day as overcast. On January 31st, 2013, The high-pressure system continues to stay. However, millibars are dropping, though, to 1,020. The interior has warnings of snowfall in the east. Also in the east is the warm front heading northwest. A cold front to the southwest of the interior is heading towards the south central region. There are low-pressure systems in the Gulf of Alaska at 1,008 and 1,010 millibars. It is the warm front that matches my observations of the continuing warm weather. On Friday, February 1st, 2013, the high-pressure system moved to the east and increased to 1,026 millibars from the previous day. An occulid front moving north throughout the state with mixtures of fog, rain, and drizzle in the south central and the panhandle regions. The skies were partly overcast, which matched my observations for this day. Looking at the visible satellite, you can see just barely that the entire state of Alaska is completely overcast. In the infrared map satellite, you can just see some low-lying clouds. And in the water vapor, you can see that there is no precipitation at all, which matches with my observation from throughout the week.